What's up, everyone? This is Nat.
And this is Harry.
And it's cooking time.
Let's all sing it out together. We're all in this for the fight. And let's all put our hands together. We forever in the light.
Today we're going to try to recreate what some people deem to be the best burrito in MKE. Yes, that is the sweet potato black bean burrito from
Beans and Barley.
Beans and Barley. So I'm going to let Natalie kind of explain to you guys what Beans and Barley is.
Beans and Barley is a cafe on North Ave in Milwaukee. It is a vegan/vegetarian restaurant, but they have some options that you can add meat into your meals if that is what you choose. Beans and Barley is just a perfect brunch restaurant, and it is one you definitely need to check out.
Alrighty then. I'm starving. I need some food. It's 7:16 at night, way past my bedtime. We're just going to get right into it, and we're going to start explaining some of the ingredients that go into this bad boy.
First two things that you're going to need, obviously, hence the name, are sweet potatoes and black beans. We picked both of these up from our local Sir Mac. Shout out Sir Mac, you're the best. You also are going to need sweet corn, diced tomatoes with green chilies, Spanish or Mexican rice, some guacamole. We're going to need some lime juice, and we are going to be putting chicken into our burritos. But if you are vegetarian or vegan, you can keep that out. The last thing that you'll need are some giant tortillas.
Let's get the groove on.
Let's all sing it out together. We're all in this for the fight. And let's all put our hands together. We forever in the light. Let's all sing it out together. We're all in this for the fight. And let's all put our hands together. We forever in the light.
Loser. That's called the old-fashioned way.
Let's all sing it out together. We're all in this for the fight. And let's all put our hands together. We forever in the light.
I'm telling you, this sauce, this magic sauce, is the secret ingredient to this bad boy burrito. So good. It's like a lime sauce. I remember the first time I had this burrito, which was
One time
last week. I dipped it in the sauce, put the burrito in my mouth. Amazing. So good.
This is the secret ingredient.
Secret. It's just lime juice and it's the sour cream, and you just dump it in.
What is it missing?
Salt. It's assembly time. Guys, it is time for assembly. We're gonna snag some of these.
The biggest tortillas we could possibly find at the grocery store. They're like as big as the moon.
Huge! Look at these bad boys. Look at these bad boys. What we should do is we should warm these bad boys up like they do in the restaurant. So we just heated it up. We also got our guac. It was on sale.
Let's all sing it out together. We're all in this for the fight. And let's all put our hands together, we forever in the
You want me
light.
to roll your burrito?
No.
I will teach you.
She will teach you how to roll the burrito.
Fold the short ends. Fold the long end. And just.
Got yourself a burrito.
And don't forget.
The magic sauce. You can tell which one is mine.
Which one's yours?
This one.
No.
Thank you, Jesus, for this food. Amen. Dip, dip, dip. We did pretty good on the sauce.
I think we did pretty good on everything.
Especially the sauce, though. That's the good part.
It's as big as my face.
A couple of differences. I would say theirs is a little bit more mushy.
I think their black beans were a little more like squished, I guess, and their sweet potatoes.
Mm-hmm.
I think we put too much corn because obviously they didn't just have the recipe on their menu. I just looked at what they said was in it and guessed. So there's too much corn and not enough sweet potato and black bean.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
I'm so full.
I feel thick!
What would you rate it out of 10 on similarness to their burrito?
7.5 out of 10. I would say theirs was a little bit more mushy. That was like the one thing. Our lime sauce. We put a lot of lime into it, but
I don't think it was limey enough still.
yeah.
Overall, I think that we've decided that it needs less corn, more lime, more black beans and sweet potatoes. But also go to Beans and Barley because overall, their burrito's still better. You can find Beans and Barley's website and their address in the description box below, and also we will put all the ingredients that we use to make these sweet potato black bean burritos. We hope that you enjoyed watching this, and we will see you in our next video. Here you go. Oh my gosh, you're terrifying.